And God said, let there be light. So hi guys, it's Leroy, and today's class we're going to be talking about lighting. Lighting is what sets the mood of your video, the mood, the tempo of your video. As you can see, there's a difference between what you saw before, which was our plain old light, and then this. So this is what separates you from the amateurs, your lighting. So if you have good lighting in your videos will come out looking better. The main type of lighting I'm going to be talking about today is the practical light, the key light, and how to make your video look better using depths. So practical lights are the lights that show on your set. Yeah. Your key light is the main light, your main source of light. One thing that separates your videos and make your video look better is type of light. There's a hard light and a soft light. So hard lights are really harsh light that don't hit you hard on your face. But then a soft light, soften light, and then gives you it's all around, it's a better feel to it. Gives you a better texture. But the hard light is just harsh, just hits you bam. Always try your best to avoid having hard lights on your sets, unless there's a message that tries to portray with lights. But soft lights gives your video a better texture. Now there's this light, there's a light at the background. Yeah, it's red light that separates me from the background. So we have lights that separates, just has like an outline of red that now separates me from the background. Now it creates a contrast because this light is red, and opposite of red is so it separates me more from the background. So one thing you should always look forward to, you should look for how to make sure you do is separate yourself from the background. If you can separate, it's like an artist, like 2D artist, 3D artist. When you are drawing, you always try as much as possible to separate yourself from the background so you don't blend with the background. Because if you do, it just disappear with the background. It ends up looking bland. But if lighting can make your video look 3D, create depth. It's not like I'm not just playing. Yeah, so you can see like there's an outline, like a drawing between me and then the background, and then there's a blue light in the background. So you know that there's a whole different dimension there at the background. There's a whole dimension. And I'm not just playing. So these simple tricks can help your lighting better. If you have to light yourself, you do not need the most expensive lights out there. You can do really simple stuff with simple lights. Like you saw my soft light, I just put a piece of material on it to soften light. So that I'm going to show you creative ways down the line of how to use lighting, the natural lighting as well. So in the next class, I'm going to explain lighting in depth. But for now, it's Leroy. Thank you for being with me today. Adios.